Today we're going to be diving into one of my favorite topics on this channel, which is the best budget-friendly holiday deals that you can snag right now before they're gone. I'm going to be sharing more amazing dupes for a lot of high-end decor pieces, along with a lot of other affordable finds. This is going to be kind of like a shop with me video, so I'm going to be taking you in the stores with me. We're going to be checking out HomeGoods, Target, Walmart, and Five Below, and I'm just going to be sharing some of the best deals that I've come across that are available out in stores right now. So grab a cozy drink, hit that like button, and let's jump into these deals before they disappear. Starting off with TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, there is truly no better way to ring in the holiday season than with these gorgeous bells they have out right now. These ones in particular immediately caught my eye because they look so much like the ones from Pottery Barn, which currently retail for $69. I'm also loving the velvet bows that they have on the bells right now. It gives such an elevated, festive touch. These are just some other bells that give major Pottery Barn vibes. These are such beautiful quality, they're really heavy, and at $14.99 they are such a steal compared to the Pottery Barn ones. These oversized bells are also a favorite of mine this year. I especially love the giant bow on top. It really adds some extra drama. And I mean, 'tis the season to be a little extra, am I right? So I just love how much of a statement piece these bells are. I especially love the dark forest green ribbon. It's so rich and classic. To me, these bells look like they belong in a town square of a Christmas movie. Now they do range from $34 up to $69, but these are very big bells. They are definitely a major statement piece. I also really love this one with these little snowflake cutouts. I think it's such a darling detail that really adds a lot of whimsical charm. I also thought these copper colored bells were really beautiful. These are perfect if you're going for more copper accents this year, and these were $14.99. Okay, so you already know I was so excited to find these. These are some amazing dupes for the Pottery Barn gingerbread village houses. These little houses light up and retail for $14.99 each, which is a huge price difference compared to the Pottery Barn ones that range from $40 to $50 a piece. Plus those ones don't even light up where these ones do. Another great dupe I came across are these beautiful rattan and wicker trees. They remind me so much of the ones from Crate & Barrel, except the ones from Crate & Barrel retail from $100 up to $150 a piece, where these range anywhere from $20 up to $70, and even at that point, it's still less than half the price of the Crate & Barrel one. So if you like more of that kind of natural aesthetic, these are a great find at half the price. These ceramic trees totally stood out to me because of their very high-end look. They're also really nice and neutral, so I feel like they would work with any decor. Also, these terracotta trees were really beautiful too, very neutral and stylish. These wooden trees look so close to the ones by West Elm, which cost $45 a tree. These come in a pack of 2, and I believe these were $29. They come in a natural color and in black, and again have that really minimal chic vibe. These more understated Christmas decor pieces definitely look very expensive. These two minimal snowmen did retail for $14.99 each, but my personal favorite dupe is this snowman. This looks so close to the one from Crate & Barrel, which retails for $45. This one is only $10, and honestly, side by side, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So if you like that Crate & Barrel look, but you don't want to pay the price, this is a really great find. In my previous video, I shared some Anthropologie glassware dupes from HomeGoods, but I was not expecting to find these. These are perfect dupes for their North Pole juice glasses. I see people reselling those glasses for $30 each, where these are only $5.99. They look identical to the Anthropologie glasses. They also come in a variety of different characters. There's a classic gingerbread, this adorable snowman, and also these Santa ones. You can't even find these right now on Anthropologie's website anymore, which makes it all the more special to find these at such a cheap price point. This ski motif is also a really popular design I've seen from West Elm this season, and these ski mugs have a very similar look to the West Elm ones, which retail for $20 a mug. These are only $6.99, plus they say dashing through the snow wrapped around the interior of the cup, which is a nice little fun added surprise. I also couldn't pass up sharing these really festive and chic cocktail glasses. I love the candy cane stir stick on these. These were only $9.99 for a set of 2, and definitely an affordable way to really dress up your holiday cocktail. I mean, who wouldn't have fun drinking out of these? They are so cute. These neutral linen bow napkin rings also caught my eye. I think these would be so gorgeous for entertaining, especially around Thanksgiving. I love the look of linen, but I never liked the price, so I was really happy to see that these were only $12.99 for a set of 4. Another one of the closest dupes I found was this one. It's this luminary candle, which looks exactly like the sugared birch candle from Pottery Barn. The Pottery Barn one retails for $80, where this one was only $29. And I mean, tell me these don't look the exact same, down to the faux flame. So this is another really awesome dupe. If you're on the hunt for a great holiday gift idea or just a cozy treat for yourself, these hot chocolate canisters are such a fun find. They look so similar to the ones that William & Sonoma release every year, especially the salted caramel flavor, which is actually one of their most popular flavors. Now, the William Sonoma version sells for $30, but these are just $9.99. The packaging also has that same vintage-inspired charm, which makes it so giftable. They also come in a variety of flavors. If you're shopping for kids this holiday season, definitely keep an eye out for these adorable holiday puzzles by Crocodile Creek. They have the cutest designs and they're priced between $7.99 and $9.99, which is about half of what you would pay at places like Barnes & Noble or other big retailers. These usually fly off the shelves this time of year, so if you've got any littles in your life, this is a great budget-friendly find you'd want to grab before they're gone. I came across some really cute UGG dupes at TJ Maxx. These are by the brand Bear Paw and they retail for $29.99. They look very similar to the UGG Tasman Max Curly slippers, which cost $135. These definitely have the same vibe with that sheepskin look and would be so cozy for the winter months. Some of my favorite finds every holiday season are these Philosophy body washes. They always have such fun seasonal scents. Right now there are a ton of festive options out and they're only $12.99 each compared to the usual $30 price tag, which is such a great deal. I even spotted some of the larger sizes and they had the Amazing Grace fragrance in this special holiday packaging, which would make such a beautiful gift. Personally, I love buying these for myself. They're one of my favorite ways to get into the holiday spirit. Hopping over to Target Dollar Spot, there are some really cute body care finds here as well, like these holiday themed masks. Also, these adorable shower and bath bombs, which are all $5 each. I really love the little gingerbread one and the Santa bath bombs. I'm planning to add these to my daughter's holiday basket for the season. Dollar Spot also has some of these really pretty wooden trays out right now at $5 each, along with these glittery bow ornaments, which are a great dupe for the ones from Pottery Barns, which cost $14. These are definitely going to save you money at $5 each, but still offer that same glittery Love Shack fancy look. Of course, I also had to share some of the gingerbread finds that are out right now, like these really cute little mini gingerbread house cookie jars at $5 each, as well as these really cute little tin containers, which I think are perfect for gifting little goodies inside. And then I also spotted these cute mugs for only $3 each. These are so precious. I of course had to pick up the little marshmallow one for my daughter. I thought that one was the absolute cutest. And this one actually made me laugh because it reminded me of the West Elm inspired mug that I showed from HomeGoods earlier, but this one is even cheaper at only $5, so I really like finding a similar style for an even better price. Here are some other really cute holiday mugs they have out right now at only $3 each. I have one item to show from Dollar Tree, which are these dupes for the Touchland hand sanitizers. Now, these aren't necessarily holiday scents per se, but they're more of a transitional scent that can be used all winter long. The scents are almond vanilla and mocha coffee, which both give me such a cozy Victoria's Secret 90s vibe with those warmer, sweeter scents. I love the chic packaging on these, and these were $1.25 each. Heading over to Walmart, I spotted this Dr. Teal's limited edition fall fragrance line in the scent Cozy Fireside. This has notes of chestnut and cedar, which sounds so warm and relaxing, and these were only around $5 each. Walmart also has these really great dupes right now for the West Elm paper trees, which retail for $12 to $30 each. These, however, come in a pack of 3 for only a little under $10. They offer a really beautiful, delicate look and also come in a bunch of different varieties. This acrylic Nutcracker is such a good dupe for the one that is sold from CB2. That one retails for $229, where this one is only $30. This is definitely more of a modern look, but to me is a dead-on dupe for the CB2 one. Walmart is also killing it right now with their ornaments. These are all around only $2 each, and a lot of these have a very high-end look, especially these really nice textured paper mache ones. Also, they have more of these minimal styles that look very high-end. Now, for all my fellow cozy lovers out there, these pajama sets from Joyspun are such a win. They're just $12 each, and the material is so soft and lightweight. They're perfect for those cooler fall nights, transitioning into winter without overheating, and honestly, they feel so much more luxe than the price. They also have these really cute faux shearling clogs right now, which feel cozy but can look really stylish. These are $23 and are definitely a cute wardrobe staple for the holidays. Okay, our final stop on this budget-friendly holiday shopping train is Five Below, which is just starting to roll out their seasonal goodies. One of my favorite finds were these Christmas red pajama sets. The tops and bottoms are $7 each, and I was honestly really impressed with how soft and airy the fabric is. They do come in a variety of different colors and really festive prints. I feel like there's a little bit of something for everyone, whether you like more traditional colors or more girly. They have a really nice variety of different styles. And you know I love the gingerbread ones the most. I feel like these are perfect for lounging and watching holiday movies in. And how cute are these character ornaments? They're $5 each, which is actually cheaper than the ones I've seen at Walmart, and they'd be perfect for a kid's Christmas tree. So that is it, guys, for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did and you found value in it, please be sure to give the video a like. And if you're new to my channel and you like to see more budget-friendly holiday content, be sure to subscribe. I would love to know, as always, what you guys have been picking up. If you have found any really good deals out there, please share the love. Let us know in the comments. I do have another holiday deal dupes video that I recently uploaded. I will link that down below if you guys want to check that out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.